One single speech ignited a nation to war. Its powerful words forever echoed through history. December 7, 1941, dawned a peaceful Hawaiian Sunday. Then a devastating surprise attack shattered that peace. Pearl Harbor became a name synonymous with betrayal. President Franklin D. Roosevelt faced an immense national crisis. He needed to unify a deeply divided American populace. His words would shift the course of global conflict. Japanese warplanes launched a brutal assault on naval forces. The attack killed over 400 Americans that day.
Battleships like the USS Arizona quickly sank, claiming lives.
This unprovoked act stunned an isolationist United States. Public outrage and disbelief spread across the country. Roosevelt prepared his address to a shocked American Congress. Originally, FDR considered a longer, detailed account. He personally condensed it to a concise, powerful statement. The famous "date which will live in infamy" phrase emerged. This deliberate choice amplified the moral outrage. It framed Japan's actions as a heinous, unforgettable crime. The speech was a mere 6 minutes, but its weight was immense. On December 8th, Roosevelt delivered his historic address. He spoke before a joint session of the U.S. Congress. His voice was firm, resolute, conveying profound determination. He painted a picture of unprovoked aggression and treachery. The call for immediate declaration of war was undeniable. Congress voted almost unanimously for war against Japan. The speech galvanized a previously hesitant American public. Isolationist sentiment vanished almost overnight, replaced by resolve. Citizens from every state embraced the war effort wholeheartedly. Millions volunteered for military service across the nation. American industry rapidly converted to wartime production goals.
Women entered factories, building tanks, planes, and ships.
This declaration instantly reshaped the global conflict landscape. The United States officially entered World War II. Allied nations gained a formidable new partner in the fight. The tide began to turn against Axis powers soon after. FDR's words provided the moral foundation for the struggle. It solidified America's role as a global superpower leader. The phrase "date which will live in infamy" endures today. It reminds us of Pearl Harbor's tragic, pivotal events. It signifies the immense cost of unprovoked aggression. This speech exemplifies the power of presidential rhetoric. Words can indeed ignite nations and alter history's path. Its impact shaped not just America, but the entire world. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of historical impact.